Welcome to Kevin's Frank channel. In today's video, I have a hot update for you guys, okay? Habby Forex buys an expensive Rolls Royce and at the same time replies, very dark man. I greet you, mentor. Now, let me disappoint some African countries, okay? When it comes to trading, Nigeria is leading right now. In fact, when it comes to richest traders, Nigerians are the richest. When it comes to best traders, Nigeria has it. When it comes to influential traders, Nigeria have it. When it comes to Yahoo traders, Nigeria has it. I greet you. What it be Saudi? South Africa. See South Africa, see stop loss, Baba. Welcome back, guys. Please don't mind my oversized shirt because it was just a gift by FastBull. If you notice, it's written FastBull at the left corner of the shirt. All right, so just see it as if it is by size. I greet you. All right, we can't forget to greet our mentors. There's a mentor with us here who blew his mentee's account trying to provide signal on Friday. He was trying to give signal to his Telegram community, and on the process of doing that, he blew his account. I greet you. No be touch that guy. Touch that guy is smiling over. He knows himself. No be you. Touch the guy behind you. I know first. Touch that. I greet you, mentor. I saw what you did on Friday. The way Habby Forex is going these days in luxury, it's like he's trying to meet up with the likes of Davido and Whiskey, because this guy, any money he makes, he invests in car. Not just car. You know, we have car, we have motor. All right. You cannot compare your Toyota Camry with Habby Forex Lamborghini. I greet you. So Habby has Lambo. Habby has Rolls Royce, he has Range Rover, he has Benz, Mercedes. Like, I throw cap for this guy because he's seriously in money. Habby Forex is this kind of guy. I've been following him from my early days in Forex. In fact, any post he makes, I see it first. I comment. Like, I'm a die-hard fan of Habby from my early stage of Forex, because it's just a normal thing when it comes to Forex. These are the guys you see out there: Jeff, Habby Forex, Dapo, Willis, Kojo Forex. So when you just come, these are the guys you see on the internet. So you are not mistaken if you're a new beginner and you're actually following these guys. It's a norm because they are the top right now. But I discovered that yes, Forex is a lonely world. It's a business of loneliness. It is you and the chart, okay? So after which I discovered some certain things, I just decided to be on myself and then not rely too much on their strategies. It doesn't mean I'm not still following them. It doesn't mean I don't like them. But, you know, just decide to be myself. You know, in this game, I can actually go about it with my strategy and all of that. So they are good traders, and then they are doing better, and then they are doing good for themselves. Now, Habby Forex, ever since Very Dark Man made a statement about him, he has been considering whether to reply this guy or not. You know, if you have been on the internet, you notice that Habby is not trying to reply him directly and not trying to reply him indirectly. So he's just trying to, should I reply him? Should I just ignore him? But one thing I understand about this dark person is that I think when you even reply him, you cause more problems, because I observed the case of B-Lord. If you are on internet, you saw B-Lord making a statement about dark man concerning one trending issue like that. Then after that issue, the dark person kept quiet. Then after keeping quiet, the next thing is the arrest of B-Lord. From arrest to blah blah blah. And then the dark person now replied him publicly on social media, claiming that he was the one behind his arrest. I greet you. So I think Habby is wise, you know, not to reply him verbatically, directly on social media. Maybe come up and say, dark man, you said this, and because of that, I think if he had done something like that, it would have been worse than it is today. But at the same time, he replied, he made a comment regarding that, posting his Lamborghini. Is it Lamborghini? Sorry. This man will not respect money. Posting his Rolls Royce. All right. He said something about him not being a fraud. He told Nigeria publicly that I'm not a fraud. I trade Forex, and people may be thinking that he's a fraud based on activities maybe performed by dark people or whatever. So let me just read it according to the way he presented it. Okay, this is from a Dan Habby Forex. He says, for those who are just getting to know me, I'm sure you may have some critics' opinions about me. You might believe or think that this young guy is involved in illegal activities like fraud or drugs. I have seen and heard those comments from people who weren't close to me before, and that's totally fine. I understand. Okay. FYI, I have never been involved in any illegal activities, and I will never do anything to jeopardize my reputation. In 2016-17, I started my CFD trading journey. At the time, there was not any trader in Africa that I could look up to as a source of motivation. Shout out to the Astro Forex guys, King Shaolei and Amanat. I followed them on social media. I was watching and learning few things from afar. Currently in Nigeria, West Africa, I have lost count of the number of people I have personally mentored and inspired to making a living from forex trading. This is my biggest flex achievement because I have been able to help others succeed in this field. Men mount. Now, disclaimer: if you are looking to start forex trading career, just know that it is not as easy as it may seem on social media. I love this part. I love this part so much. Habby saying that forex trading is not as easy as it is on social media. A round of applause for Habby Forex and this YouTube channel as a whole. Alright, now let's come back, guys. Now, it requires a lot of knowledge. My advice will be to get the necessary knowledge first before jumping into the market and start trading. Mentor, did you hear that? Before jumping into the market, get required skills. I greet you. Alright, now let's continue. In answer the business section, I have a whole lot of my YouTube that can help you link in my bio. Join my free Forex Signal group on Telegram, link also in my bio. You could join Habby Forex Academy mentorship class starting August 5th, Abuja, Lagos, and online. I wish you all very best. I think I'm going to visit these Habby's academies in Abuja to see what they are doing there. Alright, let us look at FastBull again. FastBull is a reliable platform, guys. Everything in FastBull is free of charge. I use them to analyze my chart. I use them to check on my fundamentals sometimes. So I will also advise you to embrace FastBull and start applying it in your trading. Let me show you one important feature. In fact, it's a new feature which most platform doesn't provide, but FastBull gives you this wonderful privilege in their platform. Let's go there quick. Alright, guys. I know most people have not seen me analyze chart before, because I don't like doing chart analysis most of the time. I don't want to create more problems for you guys. All right, so I just allow you to deal with the strategies you have, because I believe that strategy is even contributing 10% to your success in trading. All right, you have some other factors which you need to put in place now, but I want to do an analysis on GBPUSD, why I took a sell on July 25th, I think, yeah, or 24th, yeah, July 24th. So actually, this is my Telegram channel, about 1,600 persons a year. I said sell GBPUSD. We took this sell, as you can see. It started going. In fact, this is the previous trade we took buy, which was in profit. Then we now started selling. You see, it started moving in profit. Look at this. Look at this. It went crazy. Okay. So this is the reason why I took this sell. I will use FastBull to do the analysis properly. So FastBull is a website that provides you with chart analysis. I use them to do my analysis most often. Okay. So when you come to FastBull, there is a new feature in FastBull that I want to introduce before I even go to the analysis proper, and that is customizing your time frame. Okay, you can add your own time frame. Maybe you don't like 1 minute, 2 minutes time frame, 3 minutes. You can add, let's say, 3 minutes time frame, okay, or 2 minutes time frame. Just put 2. Okay, it already exists. I've already added it before, so let me do 6 minutes time frame. 6 minutes. Click on confirm. FastBull will update that. Click on this arrow you see, M6. You can make it your favorite just by the same way TradingView is, and then it becomes your favorite, and then the chart goes into 6 minutes. So this is how 6 minutes time frame looks like. You can check out on FastBull if you want to see this feature I'm talking about. One other thing that they do here is you can have multiple view of your chart. Like you can have GBPUSD one side, Euro USD one side, XAU USD one side. And to do that, you just have to click on this arrow. Look at this. Okay, this section where you have three shapes. Click on it, then tile window. You see, this is the GBPUSD chart. This is Euro USD chart. This is gold. I greet you. Now, you can open gold or open GBPUSD anyone you want to analyze, or even check on the correlation one, side by side. Euro USD correlates with GBPUSD, so you can track their movement if this is what you need. So let me go into the analysis why I took that sell on the 25th of July. So GBPUSD, I'm a day trader. I don't need weekly time frame for analysis. I don't even need daily for analysis. But I'll tell you why maybe in my subsequent videos. So I go to 4-hour time frame. I just look at the overall picture of this market. One could say, okay, GBPUSD as it stands now is currently uptrending. Why? It's uptrending because first of all, this support held this market right now. Look at this. It came, broke structure here, information line. I think this is correct. Let me use this. Broke structure here. Can you see this? Then gave us a change of character. Of course, I believe you know what change of character is. So you have a change of character here. From here to here. Okay? Market changing character. And when you have change of character, it means that we are about to go crazy to the upside, from downtrend to uptrend. So that's what we actually got here. Basically, market is now pushing to the upside, breaking structures to the upside. So one other thing here is let me show you real quick. Another structure break. You see this to the upside. You see, so we're actually heading to the upside, heading to the upside, heading to the upside. So why did I take that sell? I don't want to waste our time. We got another change of character. Okay, we got a change of character here. Look at this, a simple one. It was a simple trade though, no complication. So when we got this change of character, we looked at another block. Okay, this red candle that caused the push to the change of character is called the other block. This red candle, some person can say this is a bearish engulfing, and of course it is bearish engulfing candle, but I don't use some of those principles to trade or to determine where the market is going. But of course, it's our primary knowledge: bearish engulfing, bullish engulfing, and all that. So look at this bearish engulfing, which determines the other block that gave us this change of character. So basically, we are waiting for the market to come to fill in this order. Okay, that is pull back to this region again. That is go up and then start selling. But unfortunately, or fortunately for us, we took advantage of breakout. Most persons may not know this strategy, but I use it most of the time. If you want to learn it, I can teach you, but that will be private this time. Okay, so we are waiting for it to come to this other block. It didn't. It gave me a breakout strategy by creating this. Look at another BOS here, breakout structure. Pull back to this extent. Could not go to that region. So it formed a zone somewhere around here. Look at this. Okay, clearly. So I was just waiting for this market when it pulled back to break structure to this point. Once it created this, I was waiting for the market to give me a sell confirmation into this other block, this second block here. It created. Let me show you. I believe this video is not going long. This block, okay, which it created. Let me use this instead. Look at this. Yeah. So patiently, of course, you have to wait. After this breakout, that's breakout structure, allow the market to pull back. Some people will be like, okay, Fibonacci retracement of 618 or Fibonacci retracement of 78 level, whichever Fib level, retracement level, to kill it, because of course I'm no longer waiting for it to come back to the other block above. We have gotten a breakout, and I know the confirmations that proves that this market will no longer go back to that zone. So what I now did was go to 15 minutes time frame, Let me switch. I don't know if I can get it right now because it has been a while. Let me see. Okay, good. FastBull is really good, They can help you track markets. Let me not go too harsh. Alright, so this is the 15 minutes section of the chart. Once we got this breakout, we are looking at this pullback. Okay, sorry, let me zoom. Okay, so if you check this, you are going to notice that 15 minutes time frame is trying to show a kind of trend, but it's not a bullish market. Some people that trade lower time frame will be like, this is bullish, let's buy 3 touch and all that. But I'm not waiting for any buy from GPS because 4 hours is already telling me that I should look for a sell. So what I'm waiting for is, as it came into that zone I mapped out, look at this line. I knew that, okay, I'm expecting maybe a change of character, then I will take the sell. If you look at this, just look at this. This is signal I dropped. They are just the same thing. Look at this. This is where I said sell GBPUSD. It's the same thing, so I didn't manipulate anything. Look at the candle, everything is the same. So I got a change of character here. Okay. Then we started selling. Ordinarily, you're supposed to sell when you had a little pullback. Then we took the crash, it was massive and all that. So look at the higher time frame. So the market will now switch to higher time frame to follow the trend, the major trend of that market. That's why you see all this fall to the downside. So that's how we took that sell on GBPUSD. You can use FastBull to check up on charts. You can also use FastBull to check up on fundamentals, news, and this key point I just told you about tie windows. Separating your windows is a very important feature, which I don't think we have in TradingView. I'm going to see you when I come back from the short break. Take care of yourself, guys.